So in today's video, we have like up to here of snow, my knee of snow. This is just crazy. So we have the guy didn't come here yet because we have 2 feet of snow. So we're probably gonna be off Tuesday and Wednesday if you're in northeastern region of America. So we have like this much snow up to here. I can't record like everything. So we have like 2 feet of snow or something. Tomorrow we're gonna get a lot more. Peace out. Bye. Look how much snow is on my dad's car. That's a lot of snow. My mom's car and my grandpa's car. This is crazy. So if you want to see everything, we have this. We're using a snow thrower, but right now it's not in use. So if you want some more updates, I might post some more updates on Tuesday. Peace out. Bye.